Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to explain you differential equation. So, what is a differential equation? So, differential equation is an equation which involves some dependent variables, independent variables, and the derivative of dependent variable. For example, if y is a function of x, means here x is an independent variable while this y is a dependent variable, right? So you are well known about dependent and independent variable. Now if its derivative of dependent variable is dy by dx with respect to independent variable, this dy by dx, or its second derivative is d2y by dx square, as you know, its third derivative is d cube y by dx cube. So these all are said to be derivatives of dependent variables, okay, where y is dependent variable. Now an equation just like dy by dx plus xy is equal to sin x is said to be a differential equation. Why? This equation have dependent variable, that is y, independent variable x, here sin x, and sin x is the function of independent variable, and this dy by dx is the first derivative of dependent variable. It is not necessary that always first derivative should present in the differential equation. There may be second derivative, third derivative, okay. So just like d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x. This is also an equation known as differential equation. Now the point is that what is an order and degree of a differential equation? Order and degree. Okay. So order and degree of a differential equation. Suppose you are given a differential equation, then what is order? Order of a differential equation is the order of higher order derivative, means order of the highest derivative present in that equation. For example, just in this equation, here dy by dx means first derivative of dependent variable is present. So this equation, this differential equation have the order 1, and in this differential equation, here first derivative, second derivative of y both are present. So what is the maximum order of derivative which is present in the differential equation? That is 2. So the order of this differential equation is 2. Okay. Now what is degree? Okay, what is degree? So degree is the power or exponent present of the highest order derivative. Okay, for example, but here one condition is that the differential coefficient must be, means the derivative of dependent variable must be free from radicals. What do you mean by radicals? Radical means must not be within the cube root, within the square root, or just like if dy by dx is like this, so first of all you need to remove this under root, or if it is cube root, then first of all remove this cube root, then only just try to find order and degree. Okay, and another time if it is in suppose x upon dy by dx, if your derivative is in fraction, then also just try to remove it in from the fraction, then only you can find its order and derivative. order and degree. Okay. Now, what is degree? Just see. Here the first order derivative is present. So, what is the power of this whole first order derivative? It is 1 here. So, its order is 1 and degree is also 1. Okay. And its order is 2. But degree is equal to what? Since here second order, first order derivative is present, second order derivative is present. So, the highest order derivative present is the degree order of that differential equation. Here second order derivative is present, that's why its order is 2. Right. Now, what is the power of maximum order derivative? That is called as degree. Even first order derivative have power 3, but second order derivative have power 1. So, your degree will be decided by the power of first highest order derivative, okay, which is 1 here. So, degree is 1 and order is 2. Okay. Now, some examples where you have to calculate order and degree. Right. Suppose you are given a differential equation like x into dy by dx plus 3 upon dy by dx. Here this is equal to y square. Now see, this differential equation have the derivative of y present in fraction or in denominator. So, first of all you have to remove from the fraction. So, multiplying by this dy by dx to each term from both sides. So, x into dy by dx whole square plus 3 is equal to y square dy by dx. Now, if you will bring it in left side, it will become 0. Now, see, here the first order derivative dy by dx and here also dy by dx, but here its power is 2, its power is 1. Okay, here this first order derivative dy by dx, so its order is equal to 1, but degree will be equal to what? 2. Now, some other question. Just like 1 plus dy by dx whole power dy by dx square whole power 3 by 2 is equal to 5 d2y by dx square. Okay. Now, if you have to find its order and degree, how will you do it? Just see, here it is power 3 by 2, means you can write it within root of this cube. So, first of all it is having radical, so you have to remove radicals first. How will you remove? Just see, it can be written as under root of this one. So, squaring both of the side, what we get? 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3. Just see, whole power 3. This is equal to 5 d2y by dx square whole square. Now, see, if you will write it in left hand side, this will become 0. Now, in this differential equation, see, what is the order of maximum derivative, maximum order of the derivative of dependent variable present in this equation. So, here dy by dx means first derivative, first differential coefficient of dependent variable is present. Here second derivative of y means second differential coefficient of dependent variable is present. So second differential coefficient is the factor which will decide the order and degree. So its second order means its order is 2, while degree will also be 2. Since you have to see the power of that factor, that derivative which is deciding the order, means the power of maximum order derivative. Okay? Thus, we conclude that the degree of a differential equation is the degree of the derivative of the highest order occurring in it after the equation is freed from radical sign and fraction in the derivative. Clear? And what is the order of differential equation? Order of differential equation is the order of the highest derivative occurring in it. Okay? In this way we can calculate order and degree of all the questions given in exercise 17A. So thank you.